Welcome to Bella Vista RV. Today is a great day. Summer is just about here. This is a little bit of an overcast spring day, but we thought we'd run out on the lot and show you some of our shadow cruisers that we have in stock. Stock is coming in and going out pretty quickly, but we have a selection of trailers available. Shadow Cruisers are Ultra Lite line, and Bella Vista RV in Oro-Medonte, Ontario is the Shadow Cruiser dealer for the greater GTA Simcoe-Muskoka area. We're right on Highway 11. There's a number of the cars going by on the highway already getting ready for the weekend, but we thought we'd bring you this quick glimpse at our Shadow Cruiser Ultralights. Here in our front row, we have a 280, which is a bunk model, a 260, which has been a really popular couples unit with lots of living space. We have a 225, a 215, and another 215, and we've just received, which is going to be coming out on the lot any day now, a 325, which is the largest of the bunk models. So if you're in the market for a high quality, ultra light, aluminum framed travel trailer, come take a look at the Shadow Cruisers here at Bella Vista RV. We've got super heavy frames, 5-sided aluminum, painted front caps, and just loaded with features. To give you a little glimpse, let's take a peek inside this 260, because you have aluminum rims, the nice big solid step, and a key with Shadow Cruisers. Look at that massive awning. It's almost the entire unit. You don't get that in a travel trailer these days. You get a great pantry in here, hide-a-bed sofa, massive washroom with biggest shower in the industry, lots of space to get changed there, nice big dinettes, really nicely appointed living areas with backlit LEDs, big fridges, nice countertop spaces in our kitchens. We also boast a king-size bed that's on a slide, so you can move it around based on what your needs are. And Shadow Cruiser goes a step further. I'm going to step back here. Look at the extra drawers and storage they put in your bed area. All the doors are going to be solid doors for privacy, including in our bunk models. So if you're in the market for an ultralight travel trailer, you want a really quality construction build with some really innovative features like our one key system, and prepped with tire link, tire pressure monitoring on a trailer, and great features like this pull-out storage tray. Come take a look at our Shadow Cruisers here at Bella Vista RV. You can't miss us on the highway. We've got the largest indoor showroom in the area. That's our building. Lots of stock available, but it is going quickly. And here's some of our Shadow Cruisers. So come experience the Bella Vista difference. You won't be disappointed. We look forward to looking after you.